Now, we normally use the verb avoir in French to express age. So in French, yeah, we don't say that I am 2 years, but it's like literally you say I have 2 years in French. So whenever you think about age, always remember the verb avoir. So quel âge as-tu means how old are you? And we have just learned the verb to have, which we always use to express age in French. And what we can see here on this page, number 4, there's a question asking, quel âge as-tu? The way we read this question, as you can see that quel ends with L, and âge starts with a vowel.
Yes.
So what we normally do when we are reading, we join the two, L and A, to become like quel âge. Quel âge. Yeah, quel âge.
Yes.
Quel âge as-tu? That is, how old are you? Quel âge as-tu? Remember, we use the verb avoir or to have to give the age. We have an example here. And on this example, we have the verb to be. I believe that Beryl can remember we had the verb to be. Or you said je suis, tu es, il est. Can you remember that, Beryl?
Yes, I can remember.
Good. Now, when you say that tu es Laura means you are Laura. Then I go and ask you the question, how old are you? Tu es Laura means you are Laura. How old are you? Quel âge as-tu? The following sentence, you can first of all leave it for now. Travailler à deux means work in pairs. We can leave that for now.
Yeah.
We go to example. Tu es Laura. This tu es means you are. Laura is someone's name. Remember, we had said earlier, we always use the verb avoir to give the answer.
Okay.
So you say j'ai, then this is number 11. Ons means 11.
Yes.
Then followed by years. ENS means years. So you say j'ai 11 ans. Nancy, kindly say j'ai 11 ans.
J'ai 11 ans.
Très bien, très bien. So j'ai 11 ans means I am 11 years old. Ça va?
Ça va bien?
Très bien. Good. Now, if you look at this image, like image number 2, this is tail. Can you see tail?
Yes.
If you follow this line, it will go up to number 5.
Yes.
Can you see that?
Yes.
Then if we place tail where Laura was on the example, it's going to be tu es tail. True?
Tu es Théo, yeah.
Quel âge as-tu? How old are you?
Quel âge as-tu?
Then assuming that you are now tail, you follow that line and say j'ai 5 ans. Because 5 is 5. So you say j'ai 5 ans. Can you say j'ai 5 ans?
J'ai 5 ans.
Beryl?
Yes. Yes.
Kindly say j'ai 5 ans.
J'ai 5 ans.
Good, très bien. That means I'm 5 years old. After Laura, we have Hugo. Can you say Hugo?
Hugo.
This is the boy, isn't it?
Yes.
And how old is he? You follow that line after it ends.
This.
Yeah, that is this. Eh?
Yeah.
Then the example would be tu es Hugo, quel âge as-tu? Then you say I am 10 years old. How do you say I'm 10 years old?
J'ai 10 ans.
J'ai 10 ans.
Oh,
J'ai 10 ans.
Okay.
Yeah, remember, because this is DIX, you join DIX to ANS to become 10 ans.
10 ans.
Yeah, so you say j'ai 10 ans. Barry, can you say j'ai 10 ans, s'il vous plaît?
J'ai 10 ans.
And the word s'il vous plaît means please. S'il vous plaît. Please, okay?
Okay.
Now let's go to the next one is Laura. We had seen Laura on the example. We can go to Manon. Can you see Manon?
Yeah.
How old is Manon?
7.
Good. So the question is going again to be, tu es Manon, quel âge as-tu? Assuming that you are Manon, quel âge as-tu?
J'ai 7 ans.
J'ai 7 ans. Très bien, j'ai 7 ans. And Nancy, quel âge as-tu? Assuming you are Manon?
J'ai 7 ans.
Oui, j'ai 7 ans. Très bien. Now let's go to Noah. Noah, how old is Noah?
3.
3. So, tu es Noah. Quel âge as-tu? The real?
J'ai 3 ans.
Good. Remember that 3 ends with S and O starts with R. So when you join S to R, the sound becomes like Z sound. So you say j'ai 3 ans. Can you say j'ai 3 ans, s'il vous plaît?
J'ai 3 ans.
J'ai 3 ans.
J'ai 3 ans.
Très bien. J'ai 3 ans.
Wow.
J'ai 3 ans. Now let's go to the next one is Camille. How old is this girl?
This week?
Oh, très bien. 18.
This week.
We are seeing number 18 as 18. Remember, 18 ends with T, which is a consonant. Now let us see. Let me see what Nancy is going to say. Tu es Camille. Quel âge as-tu? Nancy?
J'ai 18 ans.
Oh, très bien. J'ai 18 ans. J'ai 18 ans. Oh, Beryl, can you try? Quel âge as-tu?
J'ai 18 ans.
Très bien. J'ai 18 ans. Then we have a girl here, Julia. How old is this girl?
8.
Yes, she's 8 years old. So, tu es Julia. Quel âge as-tu? What did you say? Oh, Beryl?
J'ai 8 ans.
Très bien. J'ai 8 ans. And Nancy, quel âge as-tu?
J'ai 8 ans.
Ah, très bien. And then we have Marine. Marine is, how old is Marine?
17.
Très bien. So, quel âge as-tu? Tu es Marine. Quel âge as-tu? Oh, Nancy?
J'ai 17 ans.
J'ai 17 ans. Très bien. J'ai
17 ans.
Beryl. Quel âge as-tu? That is, tu es Marine. Quel âge as-tu? Marine is 17 years old.
Yes. Oui.
So, Beryl, tell us this, please.
J'ai 17 ans.
Très bien. And assuming that you are 16 years old, assuming you are 16 years old, Nancy, quel âge as-tu? What did you say? How old are you?
J'ai 16 ans.
J'ai 16 ans.
16 ans.
J'ai,
Yeah.
oui, j'ai 16 ans. Très bien. J'ai 16 ans. Assuming that you are 1 year old. Just 1 year. Who can try this one?
J'ai un
an. J'ai un an. Let's have a look at how it's written. You have to join this N to A to say j'ai un an.
J'ai un an.
Oui, j'ai un an.
J'ai un an.
Ça va? So,
Ça va
generally, that is how you ask someone his age. Quel âge as-tu, madame? Quel âge as-tu, mademoiselle? Or, quel âge as-tu, monsieur? Then you will say, j'ai 8 ans. J'ai 9 ans.